taking us through their views in the markets, giving us a handful of trading ideas. To be honest, a tough trading market, and as well as solving our viewer queries. So, Nilesh and Akshay, thank you so much for joining in. And with that, we shift focus to the commodity space. We have Tejas Anil Shigrekar. He's a senior technical analyst looking at commodities and currencies at Angel One. Tejas, good morning, and thanks so much for joining in. We've seen traction build in gold. How are you reading cues from gold, and what are you dealing with?
When we're talking about the spacious metal, it's completely overbought conditions now, and there is a lack of data that keep coming up from the US. Even the unemployment claim from the evening session, there is again some price recovery could be seen, but we suggest to, as per the technical levels, go for the selling pressure could be seen on the evening session. So 77,250 is a mark to go for the selling pressure, see the selling pressure. Keeping the stop loss 77,470, targeting for these 76,810 to 800.
Right. And moving on, Tejas, what are you doing with silver?
Silver, again, a technically pattern. When we see the bad pattern is already formed on the technical part, even the overbought situation from the other oscillators. So we see the selling pressure at 92,200. Keeping the stop loss 92,950 and targeting for the 91,000 to 90,800 mark.
All right. So sell on two precious metals, gold and silver, Tejas. But what about crude going forward?
Crude, when we see this selling pressure keep coming up from the high level around of 6,000 and 6,100 mark. So we having the already proceeding from the lower level, almost the 5,500 mark is a very good support we've seen. So we are keeping the buy beat over here. So on the evening session, we'll see the more good buyers are taking the hold horse. We are giving the buy call here. 5,850 is a buying level, keeping a stop loss of 5,760, targeting for the 6,000 and 6,100.
All right. Well, Tejas, we would have loved to talk more, but we're unfortunately completely out of time. So thank you for joining us and taking us through those key commodities and which are very well traded in the markets right now. So thanks for joining in. And with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the F&O Show. But lots more lined up on the other side. Stay tuned to NDTV Profit.